Hi there, students. Trinket. A trinket. Okay, a trinket is a little decorative object or a piece of jewellery. It's not very valuable and generally it's not very good quality. So when we go on holiday, very often we bring a few trinkets home. A few little things, a few souvenirs. Most of the things I bring back from my holidays are just cheap trinkets. They're knickknacks. So either it's an item of jewellery. So I gave the little girl a few trinkets for her to wear. Or maybe somebody has a cabinet in their living room with just little bits and pieces. Knickknacks. These are trinkets. They're not of great value, but they are things that people have collected over the years. So a small ornament such as a jewel or a ring or something like that, but not a massive diamond ring. Just something cheap and cheerful. A trinket, an object of little value, but maybe it's a curio, it's a trifle, it's not something very valuable. Okay, so we've all got trinkets. They're things that we save that they're not necessarily valuable, but they have they carry the memories that they carry with them. I have a trinket which is always in my bag because it reminds me of my family, for example. So a trinket, a small ornament or a small piece of jewellery. Something that's not terribly valuable. Notice the word trinket is neutral. It's not critical. It doesn't criticize. It just says it's just a small thing. It's a small ornament. Whereas if you use the words like a bauble or a gewgaw or something like that, then these are negative. They're saying it's flashy and tasteless. So a trinket. The shops at the seaside sell postcards and trinkets. Little cheap little things for you to take home so that you can give them to your friends and family. And that's the idea of a trinket. I'm sure we've all got little trinkets, just little things that we keep because we like them. They're interesting. They remind us of something, but they're of no great value. So these are just trinkets. As to formality, I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, let's see, it comes from an Old English word, Trinket, which is a type of knife, probably a toy knife, that was worn as an ornament. And this probably comes from from French, trancher, to cut. So as in a knife, a trinket. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Trinket.